Yes, I'm back. How you guys doing? So, I'm back. So, how was your trading week? Leave a comment if you take my advice and open up a Forex broker and you start to trade. You take your first demo trade. Was it successful? Leave a comment. If you trade in live, leave a comment. The link for that is in the description for the broker that I trade with. You can open my demo account or you could fund it. If you need to fund it, the best way is to get cryptocurrency and fund your account, right? I can also guide you through on how to fund your account. So, yeah, so let's talk a little bit about Forex today, right? So, since you already open up your demo account and you took some trades, there are there are there are basically 5 trading days for the week. Market opens on a Sunday afternoon late, right? So Sunday afternoon late. Also, and it closes on a Friday afternoon late, right? So your trading times are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? Basically that. So from Sunday till Friday, the high and the low is basically a high and low of the week, right? So sometimes market goes to a high or traded to a high and basically bounce off and come back down somewhere about midpoint. So that's the midweek. That's one you can look at. You also have the daily highs and the daily lows, right? Those are some areas that you can look at. You also have price moves in 50 pips, 100 pips, right? So when you say price moves, if you look at the charts, price moves and bounce off double zeros, right? So double zeros, you have double zeros. Those are some areas you could look at. So you can also look at after your double zeros, you have your quarter, you have your 250, 25 pips, 50 pips, 75 pips, 100 pips areas you could look at. So those are some things that you could look at if you are a day trader. You don't forget you have your sessions. You have your Asia, you have your London, you have your New York session. So all those things you have to take in consideration. And you also have your economics calendar, which is very, very important for your news as well. So those are some areas you can look at in terms of your trading. There are so many trading content out there. I need to start to do back some videos and some reaction videos on stuff that I think it's really good in terms of getting to trade. So this is 2025 and you all should be trading as a extra source of income. For example, I used to look at trading to get to get rich, to live this lifestyle, but those start so you'll get to that eventually. I have I have I've come across some traders that actually making money. I've seen it with my eyes. And I'll tell you the truth. No one don't help you for free. Maybe it's because if you get it for free, you mightn't take it literal. But maybe if you pay for it, you might want to study it a bit more. So I've come across some people that could trade, and yeah, right here in Trinidad, they could trade. They could trade. There's the ones that you know. I've literally come across some people that they could trade. So probably, I a late bloomer because I've been trading for some time now, I have been profitable, but to me, in terms of taking large position, I, I just, I just, I just zoned out. It's like I fear, I fear this overtake me. You know, it's like this fear, this overtake me. But it getting better, you know. It getting better. I've seen it because I started meditation. So it's like I'm like sit down and I meditate. Lord, I would like to have the strength to hold a trade longer. So, you know, because why it is that I can hold my losses very long. I could hold my losses very long. I could close my pray and have the faith. Oh God, go back up, go back up, go back up, go back up. But when from the time I profit, I take it. Tell her they don't do that one now, boy. Everybody does used to do that. Who could probably trade, but this week, how much I clock this week? Oh yeah, I make a video that about profits. I think I wonder if I posted, boy. I said that last week I lost and this week I make back my money and then I make continuation profit. Yeah. So this week I close with profit. This week I close 217. Tuesday trade, Friday trade, $217. So I was just like, I took that and I gone withdraw it, and yeah. So next week is another week if I was playing greedy, and when I took that trade, I took that profits, and from exactly where I took that profits, it reversed back down. So the market said, if you take I go take it back, so it's a good thing I take it. So I closed it $217, I think it was. Yes, because if I didn't close, where the trade, I was expecting the trade to go to, I was expecting it to go to 400. I was expecting it to go to 400, 350, 400, somewhere around there, but my level was on that trade. I was expecting around 350. Once I see 350, I out. But I closed at I believe it was 216 or 217, and I was out. And literally from where I took it, the market literally reversed. And that was yesterday, Friday. And I said, way boy, yeah, way boy. So hear me now. I'm like studying. Where I fussing for? I call a good trade. I say, well, let me exit, try, and I studying like where I'm expecting to put 10 lots, 5 lots, a whole lot. Well, it was like almost a lot. And it wasn't even a lot. It was like half a lot. I think it was like a point. I did take by for I think it was about point in total. I take point one about 4 times. 4 times. Let me see. Yeah, I took point one about 4 times, and I literally like out the market. So this week I should be in profits. I have to look at the news. I didn't even want to open my chat. So we're going to see what's going on. Donald Trump is going to come in power on Monday. So we might see some spikes in the market. I'm not sure. Just saying. Yeah, so I'll try my best to make more videos, more content. Okay, this is what I bought the camera for. But my new skills is digital marketing. Boy, I'm good at that. I'm good at digital marketing. So on the side, I want to look for some clients and work with them. So besides trading, trading is boring, but I ain't get there to take big lot sizes and stuff. So I have to work with what I have and build up my account. That's the goal for 2025. I would love trading to be my full-time income because I've really apps on trading, although I could trade and I have lots of knowledge, but it's just you know what it is? Is the consistency in terms of sticking to a plan. I think that the problem I have. You know, like sticking to my trading plan, like this is euro, what's the information on euro? This is US, what's the information on US? The information on US is really good. The information on euro is very bad. Is the information on card good? Yeah. Okay, we should trade card today. To, I feel like to gather all that information on all these pairs, it is like take up too much of my brain space, and I doesn't feel to do it. And when I do it, I just like take a small position, and when I watch, I was like, yeah, boy, in profit, I should have take a bigger position, and that word is drain my brain now, boy. And when the day I take a big position, I go in drawdown, and then I frighten because I hold in more loss than wins. But eventually, this go wrong. So yeah. All right, guys. So I don't want to keep this video too long. It's 15 minutes of me talking. So have a blessed one, and hit the subscribe button. Or if you are looking for a broker to trade, to open up, the links are in the description. If you are looking for a cryptocurrency card, the link are in the description for that as well.